They call me Madoadoa, all spotted. They used to say I drive as fast like a cheetah.
We thought we have seen them all, but then you go to the next hill and there are more, and the next hill and there are more.
A client who comes to Kenya without seeing Mara, he never did a safari.
When they come here, they are tired, they want to relax. They can't believe this is the place they were going to.
My best brother, you know? Yes. They were really happy and they were sad that they were leaving, you see? So it really motivates you in your job.
The love I have for my job. You meet people from all walks of life. I think I've met as many people as possible from all over the world. And you get to exchange ideas. Exchanging of ideas gives you a very pleasant way of thinking about your job. My name is Stephen Ndegwa, and my profession is a tour guide, of which I've been doing that for the last 25 years as a tour driver in various parks, in various countries. They call me Madoadoa, all spotted. They gave me the name because I was very good at spotting the cheetahs. And also they used to say I drive as fast like a cheetah.
Madoadoa is on his way to pick his clients up from the airport. His mission is to make sure they have an unforgettable experience once he delivers them to one of Africa's greatest attractions, the Masai Mara.
I get clients from all walks of life, all over the world, from Israel, from US, from Britain, from Australia. And now the biggest group of people coming, as we are talking, they are the Chinese. So from Asia, we are having a big number of people coming to Kenya. Most of the clients I'm handling now, they are the Chinese. Ni hao. Ni hao ma. Bukashi. I'm at the airport in the parking. Are you already there? 1 minute. So you are arriving now? Okay. Xie. Hi. Okay.
My name is Alex Kantai Kasura, and I'm the assistant manager here. I start my day very early in the morning, like today. This is about 8 in the morning. Hello. Hi, good morning. You had a good sleep?
Yeah.
Good. Welcome for your breakfast. We had some guys who are going for balloon early in the morning, as early as 4 in the morning. We had to give them some tea and see them off just before they go down to the balloon site where they are going to fly and have their champagne breakfast down in the Mara River. We had some guests who are also going for game drive, early morning game drive, where we serve them tea and coffee. Sometimes back we used to have the French coming up and the Americans. At least now we've seen a lot of change with the Chinese group coming up. We also have Asians who come from Dubai and maybe India. So we are all having mixed up of everyone is coming down here. I like giving them their breakfast, seeing them off at the car park, waiting for them when they come back. I find it very exciting and I really like it so much, just to get to know how was their day and all that.
Thanks, Alex. Welcome. We are looking to have good fun. With the kids, they must be really going back with a lot of storyline and experiences. So they will tell their friends and teachers how they felt coming to Kenya. Bye-bye.
See you later. Have a good day. And see you later for lunch.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Cheers. I like serving people. That's my best thing I'll ever do. I like meeting new people like I always do. I meet new people every other day. Every morning I get to know someone else. Every day, every day.
你好 Steve. Fine. Oh, welcome. Karibu Kenya. This one? No, this I can put inside. All right, try first whether it's going to lock. We say hakuna matata.
Hakuna matata.
No problem. Si Boucher. Si Boucher.
How many people maybe stay in Nairobi?
We have about 4.5. About 4.5.
When I finished my high school, I was staying with my uncle, who was a tour driver at that time, and they were doing safaris. So when I first entered into the business, whatever made me to think about it was my uncle. He used to take me as a learner until I get to know the lodges, the parks, the hotels. Because even if you come from school and someone tells you, take these clients to a certain lodge in Masai Mara, and you've never been there, you'll not get there.
Tell me the name of that park. Yeah. What is the name?
Uhuru Park.
Uhuru Park. Good student.
Oh, yeah.
That's clever.
Thank you.
Very bright student.
By the time you leave Nairobi, from the airport to the hotel, you have to learn what kind of clients you are carrying. Are they tough people? What exactly do they want to see? Because as you go talking with your clients, because if you don't talk, you'll never get to know what your clients really want. So by that time, before here in Masai Mara, you ought to have learned what kind of character your clients are, and what are they really interested in.
Well, I got interested with the hotel industry when I was still in school. And especially one person inspired me was my cousin, who is still with Serena, who started back. He's been there since 1971. He's a head tour guide down in Mara. In fact, I remember one time we went to Mara Serena, and unfortunately, when we were coming back, we got stuck at Kikrok. And he came all the way and took us back with the whole school bus. And he could buy us some sodas, and you know how school children can be when they get a soda and a bread. At least I got interested. I saw it's a good job, and then after school I thought about it. The history of Sekenani camp, where I'm working right now, it was just a camping site whereby the Europeans who came down, they had to camp here and do game hunting. As you can see, Sekenani camp is too natural. unlike any other camp, we don't even tamper with the wilderness we have around. The water, you see, we still keep our water clean. And like any other camps, we are giving them the source of the water from above the hill behind us.
Alex and the management at Sekenani made the decision to create a unique nature's sanctuary for the visitors. The nature is virtually undisturbed, so the structures blend in with the natural surrounding. Visitors from all walks of life come here to be immersed in the nature.
So how was it down here? Okay.
Good. Road is a bit bumpy.
Yeah, a little bit bumpy. Road is a little bit of Masai massage.
Please follow me. Okay. Please follow me.
Thank you, Mr.
Because the camp is deep inside the Mara forest, local Masai Morans, meaning warriors or guardians of the community, have the responsibility to ensure that the camp is safe.
Kwa majina mimi ni Rompas Letolo nikiwa Mara. Kuanga kwa hoteli tunatembea namna hii na tunakuja kwa milima kuwatafuta kuni ya wageni ile tunawasha naye moto tuwashe wageni wakati ya asubuhi na jioni. Ile saa ukijaribu kuangalia Mara vile iko ama vile hoteli ile iko Mara, wafanyakazi ya hizo mahoteli ni watu wengi sana. Sasa tumeona faida ikiwa ni faida kubwa sana kwa kuleta watalii, kuwa tunapata mapato kabisa. Tumeona faida ambayo imekuwa ikitufaidi sisi tukiwa Wamasai.
The Maasai warriors have a vast knowledge of the nature and are only too glad to share it with the visitors.
Tunaanza na korokota kuni, alafu naye kwanza hii kutu yake tunatumia kama tunaweka supu tunakunywa. Hii ni kama tunalalia kama mattress. Hii ni mzuri sana kwa kulalia kama mattress. Naye unangoa na kuweka hapa. In case ukitembea, kama unatembea ikiwa jua inawaka sana, unatumia na kupangusa uso saa ile una sweat. Sasa naye tukiwa orani tunashindaka tu kwa msituni.
Orgumo gole kijo ba la jage.
Saidi ai.
Yeah, I went to drop the tour leader, but I stepped on a nail. So that's how I had the puncture.
You have to make sure your car is in good shape. And I have also to go there to make sure whatever they were fixing is as per we had arranged. Because sometimes they might do something and forget another one. So if it goes and breaks on the way, it is your own brain.
Yeah, I'm just putting back the tire. Okay. I'll be there in a few minutes. I have to be sure of my trip. I have my 2 spare tires. It takes me about 5.5 hours from here. And the road is really bad. So, safety is a precaution.
That's 40 minutes.
a guy who doesn't know how to do his job, man. Oh, I'm so sorry. I had to change a puncture, and I didn't want to go with her, so I had to fix it.
I'm waiting for you.
Oh, that's cool, man. That's cool, brother. You're welcome. We are welcome. Yes, weko ingine hapo. Hello. Ni hao. Ni hao. My sister. Yeah. Where we are on the viewpoint of the Great Rift Valley. The viewpoint is one of the best places we have, where you can see the view of the Rift Valley. And as you know, Rift Valley is very important in the making of the East and Central African countries. It's a very unique place. It's not always you have such a view. The trees, the heights, and all that makes a gorgeous view. So here we make a stop for the clients to take pictures of the Rift Valley, and also for them to do some shopping.
Okay, here, come.
Okay.
How much?
Yeah, 80.
80?
Yeah, 80.
60, okay.
He's 60, he can't.
Huh?
He can't. No. I'll give him 80. 80 is a good price.
85.
No, 80.
There was a very serious case whereby a woman had been killed by an elephant. She came across an elephant that was being chased by people from their farms. The woman did not know the elephant was coming, so she was trampled to death. She was killed by the elephant. So they were so much annoyed that they blocked the whole road. No tourists went to Nairobi and no tourists went to Masai Mara until late in the evening.
Mtoto ya wiki mbili. Sasa watu wa KWS wamepigwa simu, akakuta ndovu hapa, na ndio hii mama umeuliwa, akakataa kuua ndovu. Kwa nini? Kwa nini nakataa kuua ndovu?
It is very sad, let me tell you. I'm talking it from a personal view because having lost my cousin who was a teacher at Siabei, the reason why we are so bitter is only because of one thing. If a lion or a cheetah or a leopard or an elephant was killed today, you can see the whole personnel of the KWS down here. But whenever somebody is stumbled, whenever we lose our cows, you never see anybody. Nobody bothers. The government doesn't even intervene. Just take it lightly. The light attitude towards human is what is more paining, because when you lose somebody and when you lose an animal, we don't value. It's like they don't value human life.
Hizi wanyama ikiwa ndovu ni mnyama mwingine hatari sana kwa binadamu. Tunakaa tu pamoja, lakini Ni mnyama hatari sana. Mimi najua watu wawili ama watatu ambao ameuliwa na ndovu. Ikiwa mtu inauawa na mnyama ama inakuliwa na simba, inasababisha inalipwa. Ikilipwa inaweza kuwa ni sawa tu ikilipwa, kwa sababu naye maisha mtu ni ngumu sana.
Hebu tuulize tusikizaneni. Umeita watu hakuna kitu
askari anasema hapa ati kuna mzungu anatoka kama ametoka mara nataka kwenda ngambo.
We are just ready to demonstrate until the time that, we can see now we have come into an agreement that whatever we have been suffering with has been solved.
The locals don't look like they're going to back down anytime soon, so using his years of experience and wit, Madoa Doa makes the decision to take an alternate route.
A client who comes to Kenya without seeing Mala, he never did a safari. Yeah? Unless it's a second time that he wants to do a different thing. But they always insist they do Mala, even if it's one day. They still want to see it again.
As we left this afternoon from this hotel, this is Mala Sopa Lodge. We went for the game drive, and in fact the first animals that we were able to see were the wild beasts. Then we saw the gazelles, the zebras. We went ahead and saw the buffaloes. And much more, we found a baby gazelle that had been abandoned, only a day old. Can you see the baby Thompson? A very small one, eh? You see? It could not trace the mother. It could not even stand. But lucky enough, there was no predators allowed, of which I hope maybe we will see it tomorrow alive. Because there was no mother and the baby was just alone.
Oh, poor baby.
I got them the sunset with the tree, and they were really happy. They were really happy. Happy such that they didn't want to go. They wanted me to stay there until the sun goes down. This thing, they said, it's not easy to see in China. You don't see such a sunset in China.
Meanwhile, at Sekenani camp, Rombas the warrior undergoes a transformation. Soon the darkness envelopes the camp and danger lurks everywhere.
Mahali tupo ni kwa wanyama, tuko ndani ya wanyama. Kama kwa mfano hii kambi haijafensiwa. Sasa wakati yoyote mnyama yoyote inaweza ingia ndani. Ikiwa simba, ikiwa mnyama yoyote. Sasa tunalinda, tuko tayari wakati yote. Sasa hiyo ndio maana ukiingia kwa msituni vile zimeshikana hivyo, huwezi kuwa rahisi tu ujue ni nini iko ndani, sababu kwa wanyama hii hatari kama ndovu zinaweza ingia huko na kurelax huko na kulala. Sasa muhimu sana ni usalama.
As the visitors enjoy their campfire, Rombas and the other Morans ensure that their camp is safe.
We joined back office, but it was a wonderful stay. I mean, this is my second night, and the first night I thoroughly enjoyed during the day. Took the kids out. The kids had lots of fun.
I made a choice for you to go to the Masai Manyata. How was it?
That is, I can say, unforgettable experience. It was really nice. I mean, Goody recommended us, and what I was told, which is very interesting to find, is children after 10 years, they're asked to stay away from home. They don't stay with their parents. They're asked to build up their own houses and stay on their own, rather than be dependent. They just come and share their lunch and dinner with their parents.
Exactly.
Which is definitely a very startling fact for me, which is very strange. But at the same time, yes, probably this is how they make their living. That's a life experience.
So, Jacob, how was your afternoon? You had a good afternoon?
We made a game drive over here just in the afternoon, and we were quite surprised about the number of animals. We thought we have seen them all, but then you go to the next hill and there are more, and the next hill and there are more. So that was quite interesting.
Well, I like it very much to see the difference between the cultures, the difference that we have, the difference in how we interact with each other in Holland and how people do that here. In Holland, people are a lot more reserved, a lot more to themselves. Here, people are a lot more friendly. Everybody has a chat with each other. They're interested in each other's stories, and you only have that with close friends. You have that kind of thing more with close friends when you're in Holland. And here, the people are all very friendly.
I wish I could have stayed a little longer, but...
My plans for tomorrow, I'm leaving here. I'm having breakfast at 6 o'clock. Then we are leaving here at 6:30. Whereby I want to do the game drive all the way to Sad River, and then I drive to the Mara River. After that, I'll continue with my game drive and be out of the park by 12 noon. Wow, yeah, it was a big day. Cheers. At one time, about this is like 3 years ago, there was a man, and he found some elephants near Aberdare National Park, and he went to milk the elephant, and the elephant thought it was the baby milking, but when he checked, he saw it was a man.
Masai Mara, as you have read it in the papers or in the news, has got the 7th wonder of the world. Yeah? You go there, there is still plenty of animals to see.
The moment you encroach to an animal, a single animal, 9, 10 cars coming all of a sudden, it's very sad.
Kila mesi ya ndofu na uwa watu yetu. Kila mesi.
My best brother, you know?
Yeah.